Hi everyone and welcome to English with Aga. In this video, I want to teach you how to use the following phrases: due to, because of, as a result, and as a result of. We're going to talk about the differences between them, how to use each one of them, and we will do some practice exercises at the end of this video. Before we start, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and make sure you download your free English grammar booklet from the video description. Let's get started. First, because and because of. What is the difference? I didn't go out because I was ill. Because is followed by a subject, a person or a thing, and a verb. So I didn't go out because I, the subject, was the verb, ill, because I was ill. I didn't go out because of the rain. Because of is followed just by a thing or a person. So the rain. I didn't go out because of the rain. There is no verb afterwards. Another example: I didn't learn English today because I was tired. Because I was tired. You've got I and you've got the verb. I didn't learn English today because of the storm. Because of is followed by the storm and there is no verb afterwards. Now, due to and because of. What is the difference? There is no difference. They are the same. You can use them interchangeably. Due to is perhaps a little bit more formal, so you're more likely to use because of in everyday conversations and due to in more formal conversations or in writing. I didn't go out because of the rain. I didn't go out due to the rain. You can also say due to the fact that. I didn't go out due to the fact that I was ill. It means the same as because I was ill. Now, as a result of. It's the same as because of or due to. You can use it when you want to talk specifically about the result of something. As a consequence of is also the same. So as a result of and as a consequence of are pretty much the same. My house got flooded as a result of the rain. My house got flooded as a consequence of the rain. So the flooding was the result or the consequence of the rain. You can also say as a result. You usually say that at the end of something else. So there was lots of rain yesterday. It was raining very heavily and my house got flooded as a result. That means as a result of the rain. So when you use the phrase as a result at the end, you're referring to something that you have already mentioned before. So I'm talking about the storm, there being lots of rain, and my house got flooded as a result, which means as a result of everything I have just described. You can do the same with as a consequence. It was raining heavily and my house got flooded as a consequence. Again, I used that at the end to say that it was the consequence of everything I have already mentioned before. Now it's time to do a practice exercise. Tell me which phrase is correct. They had to reschedule the flight as a result or because of a technical fault with the plane. Which one is correct? Because of. You can't just say as a result technical fault. You need to say because of. Another possibility would be as a result of a technical fault with the plane. The flight was delayed because or due to bad weather conditions. Which one is correct? Due to. Due to bad weather conditions. My colleagues worked really hard and they achieved their sales targets as a result or as a result of. So I'm saying this at the very end of the sentence, which means I need as a result only, without of. The road was closed as a result or as a result of a major accident. As a result of a major accident. The bridge collapsed because or as a consequence of poor construction. As a consequence of. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get your free grammar booklet from the link in the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!